end this video, I'll show you how to create a video post and promote one of your videos using the Post tab on your YouTube channel. Let's see how it's done. First, sign in to your YouTube account. Once you're logged in, go to the top of the page and click the Create button. From the drop-down menu, click Create Post. This will take you to the Post section of your channel. Now, to create a video post, click the Video option. From here, you can share and promote a video from your own YouTube channel. You can also search for videos from other YouTube channels and share them in a post if you would like to. Select the video that you want to promote. In this example, I'll create a video post using one of my own videos. You can also add a short message or description to give your viewers some context about the video. Further down, you'll see options that let you choose who can view the post. You can make the post visible to everyone, or you can share it only with your channel members. Once everything looks good, click the Post button. And that's it. Your video post is now published and visible in your channel's Post tab, helping you promote your video and engage with your audience. That's it for this video. Like, comment, share the video, and subscribe for more video updates.